Good morning, everybody. How we doing today? A lovely day here on the Outer Banks. Back on foot here in Nags Head. We just came up on Baltic Street beach access. It is Sunday. It is a gray day, but don't let it fool you. It's about 63 degrees out here. I hope everybody's having an amazing Sunday so far. I am. I just woke up like an hour ago and no complaints yet. And like they say, complaints ain't gonna do you any good anyway. So we're gonna come over here and check out Big Blue. Like we always do. You guys know this is how I like to start my morning. Be a foggy one today. But that's just fine. You guys know we come out here in all weather conditions, all seasons. Is it just me, or does this year already seem to be going really fast? Can't believe it's almost already the middle of February. Other than this one lonely jogger down the way here, it's just me. Pretty used to being by myself out here these days. Part of the off-season game. You guys know that. I've explained it plenty of times. And I have the day off today because Blue Water closes on Sundays currently. Just in until the season starts back up in May. So I have time to be out here today. Did another one of those wife's off cleaning houses. She dropped me off so I could do videos. Hope that's all right with you guys. And yeah, we're just gonna go for a little beach walk. A little foggy beach walk. I'm already getting excited for the warm season, guys. That's all I can think about. Just imagining being out here with the sun shining, being able to get in the water again. It's almost torture coming out here and staring at it a few times a week. Because there's something about being in the water that just turns you into a kid again. Just gets you all playful again as a grown adult. Alright guys, that's just how I'm starting the first video of the day. I'm actually going to try to do 3 or 4 things while I'm out here. I got about 5 hours to be out here, so go try to make the best of it. Go film some cool stuff, some stuff I haven't done yet. Keep your eyes right there on the water until I make my way back to the Baltic Street. And I think I'm gonna go walk around on the beach road a bit. Got a couple things to go explore. As always, I thank you guys for coming along for the ride. Alright everybody, wishing you an amazing Sunday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.